So hey friends, it's me Dekarbuthu. Welcome back in another video. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the Gionee Max. So this is an entry level smartphone which costs around 6,000 Indian rupees. So in this video, let's unbox it and check how it performs in real life. So without further delay, let's get started. So now let me give you a quick overview. So as you can see on the front, it's written Gionee Max, and on the right hand side we have Gionee Max and here some key specifications. As you can see, 5000 milliamp hour battery, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and a octa-core processor. So on the back side, we get to see the Gionee and some retail price and all. So now let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see, we have a screen guard and some paperwork. So let's keep it aside, and now we have the device. So I have ordered the black color, as you can see. So it looks very plastic build, so not that build quality. So let me remove this and keep it aside. And let the phone boot. We'll keep it aside and check the box contents. So now opening the box, we get a micro USB cable, as you can see, and let's keep it aside, and a charger. So let's check the output. So it's a 10-watt charger, as you can see. So and we have a battery. It has a detachable battery, so that's a very different thing. So now let's keep this aside and check the device. अरे भाई ये क्या बैटरी के बिना ऑन कर पीरो. Yeah, so I've opened the cover. Now let's put this. Yeah, so we have completed our first boot. Now let me set this. Yeah, so we have completed our first boot, and as you can see, the experience is quite close to stock Android. So I'm very much impressed by the OS. So wow, Gionee has done a great job. So it is very close to stock Android, so that's really great. Now we'll go out and test how it performs in real life. So let's go. So friends, now I've come out to check the test the Gionee Max. So now I'll capture some images and show you how it performs. So let's go. And yeah, it has a 13 megapixel camera plus a digital camera, as you can see, dual camera. And on the front side, it has a 5 megapixel camera. So let's check. And so guys, as you can see, it has a toggle, so you can switch between aperture, so f2.0, and it goes up to f16. So that's really great. I found this feature interesting. Friends, I went out and tested this Gionee Max. So the camera performed really well. So I was pretty much impressed by the camera quality. So now I'll show some example shots which I took and video samples too. So do check out. So now let's come to the last point, that is the conclusion and my point of view towards this. So I found this device pretty good, and I would recommend y'all if your budget is around 6,000 rupees. So this is a great deal for 6,000. So you get a 5000 milliamp hour battery plus 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage, and SD plus display, 6.1 inch. So that's really great, and two SIM cards plus one memory card. And as you can see, it has a micro USB port, not a Type C, so it's acceptable for this price range. And a punch hole, not a punch hole, but a dewdrop display. So that's really great at this price point. So I would highly recommend this device if your budget is around 6,000 rupees. So you can go check it out on Flipkart. So I'll be posting a link in the description below. So about gaming and all, yeah, you can't just do gaming in this. It has an octa-core processor, which is some random processor. So I don't know how it will run games. So I'll test Call of Duty and make a video on that. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, I will make a full review if you want. So do let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. So it was a quick unboxing and my opinions on this smartphone. So I would highly recommend you can go for it. So that is it for the video. I hope you like the video. Do share, subscribe to my channel.